Let's face it, standard software rarely fits unique manufacturing needs. That's where Odoo 18 steps in, offering the flexibility to design workflows that truly reflect your operations. In this short guide, we'll show you how to assess, customize, and optimize your manufacturing process using Odoo 18's powerful features. Because in a world of constant change, agility isn't optional, it's essential. Before you improve, you assess. Start by auditing your current process, from raw materials to finished goods. Use Odoo's analytics to pinpoint delays, rework, and excessive paperwork. Then visually map each workflow step using the new templates and tools in Odoo 18. And don't forget to document your goals: better quality, faster cycles, and smart automation. Now the real transformation begins. Design workflows your way using Odoo's drag-and-drop tools, no coding required. Automate critical steps like approvals, quality checks, and assignments to free up your team. Customize permissions and connect with other systems, whether supply chain or finance, all from one platform. It's your workflow, redesigned for speed and simplicity. Take control of your time and resources. Use Gantt charts to plan smarter and allocate tasks in real time. Let Odoo handle work order automation, inventory tracking, and quality alerts, so you stay ahead, not behind. Performance dashboards help you track order cycles, scrap rates, and on-time delivery instantly. Every second counts, and Odoo makes sure none go to waste. Success isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous loop. Track KPIs like throughput and defect rates in real time. Regularly review your performance data and fine-tune your workflows to match evolving needs. Share key insights with your team using Odoo's documentation tools, keeping everyone aligned. Because when your workflows fit your business perfectly, you move faster, cut costs, and lead the market. With Odoo 18, you don't just manage manufacturing, you master it. Find out more, get in touch today, link in description. Thanks you.